to myself, what a wonderful world.
Hi everyone, my name is Pradol and welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a really festive video because the festive season is here. Ganpati is here, next aayega Navratri, and then very soon we'll have Diwali. So I know a lot of people are looking at websites and just stores to buy clothes. So I thought this would be the perfect video. I've kind of done a part 1. So the last time around I compared West Side with Hill Road. This time we're doing West Side versus Myntra because I feel like we all know West Side is really doing amazing, but I have not checked out their Indian section as much, and Myntra is fab on its own. So it would be really interesting to compare these two really amazing brands against each other, and I have a budget of rupees 10,000. So let's get started. I think video ko start karte hain with West Side. Now, West Side, when I was growing up, I used to shop a lot from it. And then there was a big section in my life where I didn't really shop from West Side. And then now it's back. So, इस बार हमने check out किया उसका Indian section. Going into West Side, honestly, मेरे मन में ये था that I want to buy like heavy outfits. I wasn't really thinking about more casual everyday outfits. So, this was my little experience in West Side. So, we've made it to West Side. Today we're going directly to the second floor because last time हमने सब कुछ scout कर लिया था. So second floor पे ये वाले West Side में is where all the Indian clothes are. So let's go. So basically, from what I can tell within the first few seconds is that it's very casual. I don't mind casual, but I don't want it to be like basic, like kurta pajama situation. I want it to be thoda sa kuch alag, like in terms of silhouette, ya colors, ya print, kuch to. Let's try and find it. I like the idea of a skirt. I don't think I have anything that's Indian and like a long skirt. I really want to find something. I think this would be so cute, your ombre skirt with this. Cute, like it's simple, but it's not too simple also. Wait, let's see the price. 2300 का टॉप है, महंगा है यार यहाँ पर सब. 2500, आधा बजट तो मेरा इधर ही खत्म हो गया सिर्फ एक आउटफिट पे. So I was wrong. As you keep going deeper into the store, heavy होते जा रहा है मतलब काफी like दिवाली vibe वाला भी है. Actually, the Indo-Western section here is super cute. बहुत cute है, but this is not what I'm looking for this time around. So as I mentioned, the Indo-Western is so cute, and look at this dress. It's so cute. Like I feel like you could style it with like little jhumkas and like cute kolhapuris, and it would look so cute. I'm really tempted to buy it. सस्ता तो नहीं है, मतलब मेरा budget definitely hurt होगा. And this is not festive approved according to me. Why does this give me apron vibes? Like, you know what I mean? Like उसका फैब्रिक भी वैसा है, एप्रन जैसा है. मैंने स्टोर के 3 चक्कर मार लिए, but I can't seem to put this dress down. I love it so much. I think I'm just gonna get it. This set is something that I would totally wear, and it's cotton. So cute. Look at this dress. I think it's definitely not like festive, but the print is very ethnic. It's so cute. Guys, I've worn West Side ke chappal in West Side. These are so cute and comfy. Actually, Madhura and I both are wearing West Side chappal. I'm back with a haul for you guys. Okay, so the shopping is done. It's right here. Okay, let's start with this one right here. Now, this is a 3-piece set. This comes with a kurta, a pant, and also a dupatta. So the color of this outfit is actually so pretty, and I think it'll flatter Indian skin tone beautifully. I really like the subtle tickly detailing. ये outfit West Side से है, तो quality तो honestly बहुत अच्छी है. ये पूरा set था for 2,300 rupees, which I don't think it's actually bad. I think this outfit is perfect as like a guest. Like if you are having like a big celebration at home, थोड़ा सा हल्का लगेगा ये dress. But as a Navratri or even Ganpati especially guest, I think it's perfect. For some reason, it's giving me थोड़ा सा vibe of the kind of outfits that I used to wear when I was a teenager. Like it doesn't feel fully modern. It's kind of like a blast from the past. I don't know why, but I do like it and I will wear it. Next up, we have this very beautiful mocha mousse outfit. I will be honest, I picked this up only for the color. I think of course, it's the color of the year. And also, I think this color again looks really nice on my skin tone. I'm honestly a little bit confused about how I feel about this outfit. Like the fit just feels a little bit off. The work also आगे जो है वो मुझे थोड़ा सा weird लग रहा है. Quality बहुत अच्छी है. This feels like something that my mom would wear. It doesn't feel very me. I got this set for 2000 rupees. Which I mean ठीक है मतलब पैंट और टॉप एंड ऑल्सो इसके अंदर एक इनर भी आया था बिकॉज द एक्चुअल कुर्ता is see-through. So I'm really, really glad that they've given a slip inside because otherwise finding a slip is such a hassle. Next outfit भी मैंने color के वजह से लिया. ये इतना beautiful cobalt blue है and इसका quality is amazing. So basically this is a kurta pajama with a dupatta. The dupatta is what has the heavy work. The kurta and pajama is very simple, basic cotton ka. But I think this one has to be my favorite thing that I picked up from Westside. I really, really like it because you can wear the kurta and pajama on its own and switch it up with like a more casual dupatta, and you can literally create so many outfits with this one outfit. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा ये, and I think the color is where I am partially sold. By the way, this was for 2600 rupees. I actually really love it a lot, so I think the price is justified. The next outfit is very Navratri coded because we have a ghagra slash skirt with a crop top slash blouse. So इसके blouse पे वो proper mirror work है and the skirt has bandhani print all over it. मुझे बहुत ही अच्छा लगा ये. Again, the color is amazing. Quality is fab. This blouse is for 999 rupees, which I think is pretty decent, and you could totally style this with like jeans. But the ghagra I feel is so overpriced. 2000 rupees का है ये. Simple cotton का है. No doubt quality बहुत अच्छी है, but कुछ भी work नहीं है इस पे. So by the way, West Side में ऐसे बहुत सारे options थे of like pants and tops in like the same color family. So you can pick and choose and like customize your top because ये ghagra and skirt I bought individually. So I could have like mixed and matched my tops. This is the option that I went for, and as an outfit, as a look, I think it looks really, really nice. But I just feel like the skirt का price थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा है. So I'll be honest, मैं West Side गई थी with the intention of also buying accessories and shoes. Accessories में I was kind of disappointed because I didn't really find anything Indian and ethnic per se. And when it comes to shoes भी ओके था कलेक्शन. लाइक जो वेस्टर्न शूज थे वो बहुत अच्छे थे लाइक ऑलवेज, बट इंडियन में आई फेल्ट लाइक देयर कुड हैव बीन मोर ऑप्शंस. लाइक आई वाज रियली लुकिंग एंड आई रियली वांटेड टू बाय समथिंग, बट आई एंडेड अप बाइंग जस्ट दीज राइट हियर, एंड आई फील लाइक दीज आर आल्सो वेरी लाइक बेसिक बट दे आर एवरग्रीन. लाइक दे आर गोना मैच विथ all of your Indian gold outfits. But honestly इसमें कुछ ground breaking नहीं है, ये कुछ बहुत unique design नहीं है अच्छे है, comfortable है, quality भी अच्छी है. The main reason why I got them is because they were on a sale for 799 rupees, which I thought was a good deal. The very last item from Westside, I think you guys have already seen in the previous montage. I was so attached to that dress that I had to pick it up. It's definitely not something that you can wear. I mean, you could if you wanted to, but I personally wouldn't wear it on like a big festive occasion. I would personally wear it for like everyday casual wear. It's such a cute cotton dress, but the print on it is so ethnic and I love it. Ye dress ka price was 1500 rupees, which honestly I think it's okay because it's such nice cotton. The fabric is fab. I know it's gonna last me for years and I'm gonna use it quite a bit. Now, shout out to the West Side's Indo-Western collection. It's extensive and they have the most beautiful sets. Like if you like those kurta pajama sets or even shirt and trouser sets but like in an ethnic form, they have so many options. I didn't explore that because as I mentioned, I really want to dive deep into like the festive heavy outfits. एक और चीज मुझे बोलना है, वेस्ट साइड में एकदम भी हैवी आउटफिट्स नहीं मिले, एज यू कैन टेल. बहुत वर्क वाले आउटफिट्स मुझे पर्सनली नहीं मिले. द आउटफिट्स दैट आई पिक टुडे वर नॉट कैजुअल बट दे वरंट heavy. You know what I mean? Okay, now it's time to talk about Myntra. Now, obviously, Myntra was something that I placed an order online. I do want to give a few shout outs. The first brand being Indus. This brand is such like a reliable Indian outfit brand. They have really nice, simple to heavy outfits as well. I personally did not shop from them because मुझे honestly थोड़ा explore करना था अलग type के silhouettes, अलग type के prints. वही जो मेरा usual pattern है वो मुझे break करना था. But if you don't want to think too much, I feel like Indus is the way to go. Also, I was on a budget for this video, right? मेरा budget था 10,000 rupees, which for like heavy Indian wear, you can probably buy a couple of outfits, but I do have a few outfits that I have hearted. I've added them to my wish list. I'm gonna actually pop them up right here for you guys. These were over budget, but I really liked how they looked. I will also make sure to tag them niche so that in case you wanna like browse through, you can. Now, let's begin with the things that I picked up. I'm starting with a bang with this sari that like shifts in color. It's duochromatic, is that what it's called? But it's so pretty. This is from a brand which is called Anook, and Anook, I will say, has some amazing saris. If you're looking for saris, definitely check out this brand on Myntra. So इसका fabric बहुत ही beautiful है, and the best thing about this fabric is that you don't necessarily need to iron it. Like बहुत ही ज़्यादा crease नहीं होता है ये. It has a very subtle gold border. I think the fabric and the color in itself does half of the job. I am so happy with this purchase. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा ये. So the prices will vary, right? Because वहाँ पे sale लग रही है, नहीं लग रही है, उस पे आपको maybe अलग प्राइस मिलेगा. I got this for 1750 rupees, which I am very happy with. Up next, we have this very Navratri appropriate outfit. So as I mentioned कि मुझे अलग-अलग silhouettes explore करने थे. So this actually is a bandhani mirror work वाला kaftan. I know kaftans are like a huge thing, right? I don't personally own a kaftan, so I thought that I would try this out, and I am not really sure how I feel about it. मुझे fit बहुत ही weird लगता है ये कफ्तान का. I don't know if it's this particular kaftan or just kaftans in general that I don't like. I really like the color, the fabric, the print, the work also, but it's just the fit that is not cutting it out for me. I got this for approximately 1500 rupees, which I think is pretty good because इस पे work है, like काफी heavy work है, but I don't know how I feel about the fit. Next outfit थोड़ा सा traditional है in the sense that this is an अनारकली, तो कुछ बहुत ही exotic silhouette नहीं है ये, कुछ अलग नहीं है ये, but इसका color मुझे बहुत ही ज़्यादा सुंदर लगा, and personally I am a big fan of those graceful long sleeve, full sleeved अनारकली. बहुत अच्छा है इसका फैब्रिक. आई थिंक इट्स वेरी वेरी प्रिटी. द वर्क इज अ लॉट ऑन द दुपट्टा. जो एक्चुअल अनारकली है वो थोड़ा सा सिंपल है, एलिगेंट है. ये मुझे अनफॉर्चुनेटली बहुत ही ज्यादा लूज हो रहा है, विच इज ओके. आई कैन ऑलवेज गेट इट ऑल्टर्ड, बट मेक श्योर दैट यू काइंड ऑफ साइज डाउन विथ दिस वन इन पर्टिकुलर बिकॉज आई वेंट विथ एन एम. आई फील लाइक आई कुड हैव probably gotten away even with an extra small in this one. ये था for rupees 3000, a little bit more than everything that I've showed you so far. But would I say that it's justified? I actually think I would, because Indian clothes are expensive. We have one more sari. Clearly, I am obsessed with saris, and this one is a chiffon sari with embellished sequins. It's giving me thoda Rocky Rani vibe. I think it's because of the dual colors that it has. I'm actually not really sure how I feel about this particular one. I really want your guys' help as to if I should keep it or if I should return it. I don't know. मुझे like बुरी भी नहीं लगी, बहुत अच्छी भी नहीं लगी. I got it for about 2000 rupees. Price wise, I think it's fine, but I don't know how I feel about it on me. The very last outfit that we have is my personal favorite, but I don't know if you guys are gonna like it. So basically, it's an extremely floral maximalist print. So this particular piece is from this brand which is called Shea, and Shea का collection मुझे इतना ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा. I really had to like control myself and just buy one piece because they have a very particular style, and I really like the cut and the style that they have going on. Now this one in particular is a really nice short kurti with sharara. To me, this is giving very South Delhi, like a rich auntie sort of a vibe. I could be wrong, but I am gonna keep this for sure. I really like this one. मुझे लग रहा है ये piece के लिए बहुत ही ज़्यादा मुझे conflicting opinions आने वाले हैं in the comments. But please feel free to let me know. By the way, Myntra पे भी बहुत अच्छे footwear and accessories के options है. But I really just wanted to focus on outfits. But if you are looking for jewelry and accessories, Myntra is a good place to shop. Okay, so it's time for me to compare. I am gonna actually not beat around the bush and just say that according to me, when it comes to heavy Indian outfits, I think Myntra takes the ball without a doubt because there were just so many options to choose from. Last time मैंने बिल्कुल भी clear answer नहीं दिया था as to who was the winner because it was actually just so neck to neck. I am happy with everything that I've picked up from West Side, but I was expecting थोड़ा सा और heavier outfits. Yeah, that was just my criteria. Okay, so with that, we have come towards the end of today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching. As always, everything's gonna be tagged down below. The links are gonna be down below. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. We're so close to 1 million. And subscribe to Mridula Aditya. Like this video, follow us on our Instagrams, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!